Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the Granny Square Motif number 9. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to do a single crochet and double crochet, a front post double crochet, and a front post single crochet. For the first two, I have videos linked down below if you need help with those. The other ones, I'll show you how to do those in the video. So to get started, you are going to start off by chaining 4, and then you are going to work 15 double crochets into the last chain from the hook, and then you will join with a slip stitch. You'll also need 2 different colors of yarn. So to start off on row 2, we're going to work our first front post double crochet after chaining 1. So you yarn over with just like you would for another normal double crochet, but instead of going into the stitch, you go back and forward and you go through the front post of your work. Then you're going to chain 2, and to do a front post single crochet, instead of going through 2 loops, you're only going through that front one right there. And you will just do a regular single crochet and chain 2. So let's look at the front post again. You're going to yarn over and pop down and back up, and then double crochet that just like you would. So the repeat for this round is going to be a front post double crochet followed by chaining 2 and working a front loop single crochet, and then you'll chain 2, and you'll do this all the way around and join with a slip stitch. Then you will fasten off your yarn and you'll grab your second color that you have decided to use for this project. For this video, I'm just using the color white because I thought it would make a cute pattern. So for round 3, in the back loop where we had done our first front post double crochet, we are going to join our yarn there and chain 3. Then in the next loop in the back of your work right there, we are going to work 2 double crochets into each of the next 3 stitches. So it'll be a total of 6 double crochets, 2 in each stitch. And then the repeat for this round is going to be double crocheting in the next stitch. Then you will work 2 double crochets each in the next 3 stitches. You'll repeat this all the way around and then join with a slip stitch. So what we're initially doing is just working in the back loop of the work that we didn't work, if I can say it, in the previous round. So you kind of see why it's important to make sure that you work in the front loops of round 2. So for round 4, we just join with our slip stitch again, and you're going to start off by chaining 4, and then you'll do a repeat, a single crochet in the next stitch, just regular single crochet, followed by chaining 3, and then you'll repeat this all the way around, and then you will join with a slip stitch. And there you have it. That is how you do the Granny Square Motif number 9. Hopefully you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please give it a like, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a happy crochet day.